right away. So our first speaker is Petr Manin, Regional Director for SIGNAX. Peter is responsible for innovation and business development and draws on many years of iconic project experience. He's also well published in the industry on digital construction, so we're in best hands we could be here. His particular topic will be BIM for owners, remote supervision of site for enhanced quality, cost, safety and control.
Remote supervision of site for enhanced quality, cost, safety and construction dynamics control. Once in a while, each industry meets the technology and the solution which change the entire vision of how things should be done. A few of these revolutionary technologies were introduced to the construction industry over the last few decades. Let's have a look. Year 1963. CAD software made a great step forward with the introduction of Sketchpad. Sketchpad made a great step forward in an interaction of the human computer, and at the same time it was a great breakthrough in the computer graphics in general. Year 2000. Revit was introduced by Revit Technology Corporation. In year 2002, Autodesk liked the idea of using BIM and took Revit on board. And it changed the entire industry at the design stage. Year 2016, first consistent cloud solutions for the construction document management appeared. Cloud is maybe the main word here. These systems, including well-known BIM 360 or Autodesk Construction Cloud, increased the blueprints and the documentation delivery efficiency in many times. So, the design stage of the construction process has never been so advanced as today. It's a good news, isn't it? But what about construction? Do you feel the situation is the same there? Year 2023. Any guesses? Anybody? Today we are introducing game-changing technologies for the construction management at the construction stage. Let's have a look. Let's start with simple, checking BIM data from the designer. Every designer does its best to transfer the most accurate model to the construction site. But we are all humans, and we all make mistakes. You must also ensure that the model meets your requirements, BIM implementation plan, and BIM standards of the project. We use a tool called SIGNAX Checker inside Tools model, presence of groups of elements or any element, its properties, its format and value, everything is here. Checks are made in automated way. After using it, you are absolutely confident that the data is in place and quality is enough. Project budget and tender volumes calculations are usually made manually. Everybody knows that project changes and many things need to be redone, but not here. How do we manage with build quantity? We wanted to do it in a few clicks, and we've done it. You have the updated model and the classifier which is merged with it. You can easily group all needed elements, beams for example, calculate its scope, and have the full understanding of the budget at any time on any device. The next step is to make tasks for subcontractor and manage it in digital way. Here you can see our SIGNAX BIM technology. Every contractor, no matter if he has special software or not, open it in browser. You can export his part of project, show tasks for exact dates, and of course control the project afterwards. Everything digitally. Digital process is all about collaboration. You need to provide the technology how all participants of the project will work in common data environment. As an owner, you should think of collecting and keeping the data. It will be super useful during the operation stage. Having the construction models in place, you can collaborate with the contractors using them. All users have the link to exact place of the facility. You can see the status and check that it is resolved online. Make payments only when everything is correct. Contractors have the same interface, which is easy to start and use. Remote construction control. Model is great, but supervision needs to prove that it is exactly what we have in reality. Reality capture can use different technologies. Camera 360 connected to SIGNAX inspection model is one of them. It's cheap, at the same time provides good enough results. The process doesn't expect the top-level specialists to be on site. They can do the job remotely, control the progress, performance, schedule, and health and safety level. At the end of the day, you have 60 captures for every single date you need. You can compare it between each other and with BIM model and make the management decisions with its help. Laser scanning is the second big technology in list. Fast and useful method to get the digital data. Has air, ground, and mobile options. The results is a point cloud, which can be base of digital twin of your facility. Calculation, visualization, and digital acceptance of works. Having BIM model on site, you can mark its elements as completed and accepted. The visual representation is here in your smartphone. All calculations can be done at any time on base of it. Live status of budget, total works done, total works paid, remaining works. Let the data work for you. And one more thing. The owner or the developer of the project is the main stakeholder. We want to give him opportunity to understand what really happens on site right now and feel that everything is in control. SIGNAX dashboard is customer's personal account in a smartphone. All information, key figures about the progress of the project are in the manager's pocket. I previously told you about the opportunities to check the completion of works, number of workers, issues dynamics, construction rates, calculations, and forecasting. We made 20+ smart cards ready to mobile and tablets. At the same time, you can make your own customized reports which have direct link with BIM data. Developer has instant access to all this, get the control, and make right management decisions. Would you like to see it in details? We will provide digital construction workshop for developers and contractors tomorrow, 1 p.m. Only practice, only best-in-class technologies, only fresh cases and projects. Super interesting agenda. Please join us. Here is the opportunity to try how the construction model looks like. Please open it using your smartphone and enjoy. Strive to be efficient. Don't be afraid to change. Use digital technologies for the construction site right now. It was a pleasure to me to be here today. Thank you.
Thank you, Peter.